Hello and welcome again to my drink channel. This is a drink called Iced Cola Naturally Flavored Pomegranate and Raspberry Tea. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug and after that you put in the pomegranate and raspberry tea bag in and go ahead, fill in the water, dip it in with the ice cubes with the pomegranate raspberry tea bag, go here, and last but not least, you fill this up with cola naturally flavored and fill the rest in there. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced cola naturally flavored pomegranate and raspberry tea. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.